Way and the cheapest way how to cook ramen noodle with some seasoning, whatever seasoning I have left back in the fridge. So I'm going to show you. Come with me, guys. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, what's up, go on to all of my long time subscribers. Them what you're doing, hope you're keeping yourselves safe. Smoke, you see? Look at weed me a bun, you know? Yes, guys, so I'm coming in with a video today. Just I go do, I just wake and say, yo, I go look out for something, you know? So I say, I just gonna make a video with it. So I go do ramen noodle with carrot and Irish, with pumpkin, with scallion and thyme and pepper. So guys, I'm going to stay tuned for that, you know. And remember right now, guys, we have some more cheeky question video coming up in the market this Saturday. I'm going to ask some of the market people them some cheeky question, you see it. So make sure you want to subscribe for that. If you're new right so now, you know what I'm saying, I don't want to miss that. So just click the subscribe button, click the bell, and get ready to be blown away by the content them from my channel. Big up, guys, big respect, enough love, I'm out. Yes, guys, so you don't know, I'm going to sit on the water now. See there? That amount of water I use, so I'm going to make the water boil up, turn on the stove. So the gas not turn on. Guys, I'm going to turn on the stove. Yeah. I make this one hot. Then I'm going to throw in the pumpkin. I'm going to cut out the pumpkin them right now. And then I wash them off and then I just come throwing them on the water hot. So stay tuned for that. Enough love, guys. Yes, guys, so I'm going to cut out the pumpkin here now. See the pumpkin here. So look what I want. Alright, guys, so you know, so I'm done cut out the pumpkin, cut out the back of them thing, scrape the carrot, peel the Irish, and guys, you have to throw in your scallion and your thyme you take and just wait till it's done, and your pepper. I really want it done, I want it half ready to done, so I'm going to cut up them now, guys. Guys, I just dice them same way. And I have to dice them small because when I'm going to the pot, they're soft and you can crush them to how you want them. So you have could do a small dicing, is it? So I'm throwing that, so you know, say, I go wait till them they go and cook down soft. Then me, you know, so I go bust my ramen over them and I go throw them in. So stay tuned for that, guys. So then actually done. Look, see them here for boiling to them can crush there, see that? Just crush them on the side like that. But you now crush the whole of them, guys. You see me? You just crush out some of them. As it can be with soup. You know? I'm going to put a little bit more water on it still, but I don't know, I can see. I'm putting in the noodle right now. I broke them in two like this, guys, and just throw them in like that. Same way. Show me alone, we gonna day, I know if you could do it two of them, but I rest my piece. Look for one, guys. So, yeah, this side collect back piece, so make back one piece. Here it is. So I'm put this, wrap up this, put this in a bag, put this in the fridge. With some of this, so you know you can have it for the next day. Or you have to live and live smart. Live to survive. Alright? So guys, you make that this go and do the thing. I put a little bit more water on it, make it go and do the thing. Then we can put the lemon on it. Pepper, thyme, and scallion. So stay tuned for that, guys. I cut up the seasoning them now. Guys, I'm gonna wash them off and strip them off. So I'm gonna cut them up right now. So we got one. Oops. Now I'm gonna cut the pepper and the thyme. So I'll just throw them in right now. Yes, guys, how that look? Look nice, nice for Uno. So one of the easiest way to cook some soup, Jamaican style, Yardman style, Rivastream style. Guys, so I'm gonna make that one good thing now. When it's done, I'm gonna see what comes. it, guys. Come on. You know, so the chewing the little seasoning will come with now. Right there. Chewing this. Turn on the stove a little. A little bit around on the cake. I left the half and noodle it, so that means balance. That is it. Yes, guys, I want to smell it. Need to smell this, guys. Come on, I want to smell it. That's it. Nice, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yes, so the cheapest way to cook ramen noodle with leftover season we have already. So I think I eat that pretty good day now, guys. Out me go share out my food, then me eat it and then me show you, then you know say I eat that soon and next time in the next video. If you're new here, so guys, please consider to subscribe and putting out hard work for you guys, so big up on yourself. Yes guys, see last look on it, so I'm going to throw in some coconut milk in a pot. You find look in our fridge whenever I don't know out of the bag, so I'm going to make you see. So you know, say a whole heap of things can look on ramen, is it? Sometimes you open up soup. So see the coconut milk there. This is Kendall coconut milk. Yeah, so we're chewing some of it. Enough still guys, all that. Alright, left back some you can use in a little porridge or something, you know? That's when we doing stew peas with the left back some. So yeah. So guys, I think for the last week this one I get from the pot and with the chole come out water tonight. So if anything we'll do now next look on it, and then after that you know say you're not gonna see me drink my soup. Cool. Yes guys, so I eat that, you know, so look, see that bubble, so that thick. Yes guys, you know, so I'm going to share out my food now. I'm there watch one video on YouTube with myself. You know, say if you don't like watch a video, then nobody now like watch them. If you don't enjoy watch a video, then nobody now enjoy watch them. So as I can see, video you watch on YouTube. So guys, I go this done now, so I go share out my food now. I will see when I eat. Lock out the stove. Yes guys. You see that? Yeah man, so I go do. I don't remember what them call it, but I go put it in the thumbnail or in the title what them call this. Remember I just start YouTube, you know, fully understand everything yet, but I try. Yes guys, and I may edit my own video them, you know, and I use one phone. At first, me did I use one Samsung my mother they sent for me from England, one S6 Edge. So for me to see what type of phone I tax, I will put it on the screen now. I will download one over the internet, edit it, put it on the screen now. So look, yes, and believe I use that edit about 30 odd video till mother make up her mind to just send my phone for me, one iPhone. So one iPhone 11 Pro Max. So see picture, cause I eat this mirror video now, so now I can show on it. So look at it that way. So yes guys, so I will drink soup now. Yeah. And look on this. Watch out, look at that guys. Take some. Guys, it tastes like real. Wish I could have tasted it. Oh, love it. It tastes like it tastes the coconut milk, it tastes the pumpkin rich, it tastes the carrot, everything. Plus the ramen noodle, the innate seed. Look at that. Alright guys, look at that. Yes, so I read out the whole of this and show them. Yes guys. I don't really position myself good in the camera and I center that I can see my act and everything with me in about. You know? True, I have a tall tripod I have to use a little ground stand. The light stand on me there, I have to put the tripod something on it and be creative and just, you know? Yeah, so that's why I not see everything, you know, but you not see most of it. So I not see the food, so watch it. Guys, the pumpkin tastes nice, sweet. Who love pumpkin? Comment and let me know. Because me used to sell pumpkin. When you usually sell a market, me usually sell pumpkin enough, and me usually have the pretty set of pumpkin. Them people usually look for me to buy pumpkin. Yeah, and then I like me tell, and you know, maybe if this video come across one of them people, that them can comment and tell us it's true, because thousands of people me sell on the road because me usually sell for a long time. You see it? Me usually sell for about, call it say 8 years straight. Yeah man, on the cat, I see me have the market video, them the hustling video, them and me I sell for real, you see it? Yeah guys, me eat down this car. I need hungry car, I need just wake. You see it? Guys, I want to try this one there. Nice, sweet. So man, sweet. Pepper, flavor, the tea, it's just super nice, man. You know? just line up myself look a bit, you see? Yes, I can see look better. It's almost done now, guys. You see how fast I go. Nice. Sweet, sweet. See, they're almost done, guys. Almost done. And guys, you know what I'm saying? We're not drink them thing and soup. You know what I'm saying? I really drink juice, is it? I'm not gonna drink no juice, it's strictly water. I'm gonna drink. Yeah. Cream soda. Yeah, strictly water with the soup. So you know, say yeah, water good for that. Nice, I can't stop. Move the bucket. Nice. Big up on yourself, guys. Think at the end of the video, guys. So make sure to subscribe if you're new, and all of my long time subscribers, them big up on yourself, and all who just subscribe and you come now and you're welcome. Enough more video I come, enough more content. So stay tuned. I'm all, guys. Drink some water. I'm gone.
Yeah, me have to know, man. You know what I chase style life. That's a Rivastream. You know what thing go out nice.
Yeah, man. Is it?
2022. I come to
Cool, man.
Rivastream TV.
Rivastream TV. You know, God bless people from
Rivastream TV.
yeah.
Rivastream TV.
Yeah.
You don't know how we say play, man. Rivastream TV, the big TV.
Yeah.
Yeah, hear me? Hey.
Cool, man.
Click the bell, you know?
Yeah, see me?
Right, for the notification.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah, man.
Cool,
No,
man. Big up, man.
Rivastream.
Every
Right,
time. Cool,
Right,
man.
yeah, man. Right, through like
Nice.
that. Rivastream.
Yeah,
You
see
know,
me?
so we have to watch it on TV and it ever clean. Right, through like night, through.
Okay.
TV.
Alright.
TV, big up.